crap. Hold up.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Millett County in southwestern Arkansas, eastern Cass County in northeastern Texas.
You have got to be kidding me.
Until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Southwestern Millett County. 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Queen City, 47 miles north of Atlanta, moving southeast at
Crap, that's 100.1. Where's my sand jam? That came out of nowhere. Crap. KNRB.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Texarkana, Atlanta, Queen City, even.
Really?
Bluebirds are domino. For your protection, move to an lightning is one of the major lightning killers. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. A severe thunderstorm warning has been.
Wait, that's 100.17 as well.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close.
I mean 100.7, 101.7. Good
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The national.
Really?
Is occurring with this storm.
I forgot today was marginal risk.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Cass, and Miller, Arkansas.
Wow. Let me go to Caleb before they... Alright, come on. If they went back to regular programming. Alright, severe thunderstorm warning that came out of nowhere.
Room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damage.
Interesting.